Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can create folder inside file. So you might be surprised that how one can create a folder inside file because normally what we do, we create file inside folder. But in Linux, with the help of loop device concept, you can create folder inside file. For example, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let's log in with this Linux machine. And first of all, what you need to do, you need to create a virtual file. So let me go inside the data directory, for example. Okay. And here I'm going to create a file. So using dd command, I'm creating a file. dd input file a.txt. Suppose output input file is equal to dev0. Okay, I want to create empty file, like empty file with some valid size but no content. Then output file a.txt. So actually this command will create a file a.txt. Suppose you want to give its size 4 GB, then give count is equal to 4000 MB. 4000. Okay, so actually this command will press enter, and this command will, within few seconds, this command will create a file a.txt with size 4 GB. Okay, now you can check the size of the file ls-lh, and you can see the size of a.txt is 4 GB. Now I am going to connect this file with a loop device. By default, loop device have no its size, so I am going to give them the size using this a.txt. So the command will be losetup dev loop 0 a.txt. Now this command will connect a.txt with dev loop 0. Dev loop 0 is a loop device inside the Linux. Okay, so in this way you can create a loop device. Loop device are very helpful. And remember, loop device are virtual device. They are not the real device. They don't have their own size. So if you connect with a 2 GB file, they will get the size of that file 2 GB, and if you connect with a 4 GB file, they will get the size of that 4 GB file. So I have connected devloop0 with a.txt. Since the size of a.txt is 4 GB, the size of devloop0 will be also 4 GB. Now how I can use this as a disk? You just need to format, but before that, let's check the attachment. Confirm it by losetup-a, and you can clearly see dev loop 0 is now attached with a.txt. Now format the loop device mkfs.ext3 dev loop 0, and in this way I have formatted the loop device. And now create any directory, suppose mkdir/f, and now mount the loop device using mount command dev loop 0 to the F drive. Okay, and now you can use df-h. What you can see, F drive and dev loop 0. Now you can go to cd/f drive. So now you are inside the F drive. Now when you are inside the F drive, actually you are inside the dev loop 0, and when you are inside the dev loop 0, actually you are inside the a.txt file. And here you can create any file, any folder, suppose mkdir Satish. Now this folder is created inside the F directory. You can create mtouch xyz.txt. So this file is created inside also the F directory. So what is the concept here? Let me draw the diagram. What I did here, as you can see, first I have created a file. Okay, so first of all I have created a file a.txt. I have created a file a.txt file here. So let me draw the diagram a.txt. Then I have a loop device dev loop 0, and what I did, I connect this dev loop 0 with a.txt. Okay, now they are connected with each other. Okay, they are connected with each other. Now I have mounted this dev loop 0 on F drive. Okay, so I have mounted this on F drive. So now whatever you kept inside this F drive will be saved on dev loop 0. So what will be you save? What will be you save? Like here I have created directory Satish and xyz.txt. So Satish and xyz.txt both saved inside F drive. So I have created a file satish.txt here. Satish.txt. Sorry, folder Satish, and I have also created a file named xyz.txt. xyz.txt. Now both of these folders and files are saved inside this F drive. Okay, so now you can see Satish folder is created inside the F directory. xyz.txt is also created inside the F directory. But when you save this inside the F drive, it will go to wf0, but finally it goes to a.txt. It means you can say that Satish folder is created inside a.txt. xyz.txt is also created inside a.txt. It means we can create folder inside file. You can see Satish folder has been created inside a.txt, and we can also create file inside file, like xyz.txt has been created inside a.txt. So I hope you guys understand how we create that. If you want to remove this, I will also show you how to remove this, the process of removal. First of all, you need to go out of this directory and then unmount it. Unmount F drive. Now cross check using df-h. You can see dev loop 0 has been removed from here. Now deattach the loop device. So losetup-d dev loop 0, and it has been deattached. You can cross check using losetup-a command. Now you can see there is no attached device, and now you can remove the file which you have created, that is a.txt. You have created that file inside the data directory, so you can go there and remove that file a.txt, and that's all. In this way you can create file inside file, or you can create folder inside file, and you can also use a loop device as a disk, as a virtual disk, or as a partition. Thank you for watching.